Imagine this. You wake up in 2026. A robot greets you by name. It remembers what you ate yesterday. It learns your habits. It helps your children study. It works without being told. This is not science fiction anymore. This is right now. And today, I'll show you the most shocking AI robot breakthroughs that prove one thing. AI robots are becoming too real. Watch until the end, because the final company might be building the body for artificial general intelligence itself. Meet engineered Arts Mecha, currently the most realistic humanoid robot on Earth. A mecha doesn't just talk. It expresses emotions. It changes facial expressions in real time. It reacts like a human during conversations. Powered by advanced language models similar to OpenAI's GPT systems, a mecha can hold natural conversations, understand context, and respond with emotion-like timing. Why this matters? Imagine customer service desks at banks, hospitals, airports, and government offices using robots that speak Kinyarwanda, English, and French, working 24/7 without fatigue. This is the end of scripted robots. China is moving fast, very fast. Chinese tech labs are building humanoid robots that walk naturally, carry heavy objects, and learn factory tasks in days, not years. These robots are designed to replace dangerous and repetitive labor. Think of mining, construction, warehouses, and large-scale agriculture. In African industries like tea plantations, mining, and manufacturing, this could mean fewer injuries, higher productivity, and entirely new tech jobs. China isn't experimenting. They are deploying. Mecha recently received a major update. It now generates more spontaneous responses, shows curiosity-like behavior, and adjusts tone based on conversation. This is not pre-programmed dialogue. This is adaptive intelligence. This raises a serious question. At what point does a robot stop being a tool and start being an entity? This is where ethics, education, and leadership matter, especially for future African policymakers. Meet Leica, a hyper-realistic AI robot dog. Unlike toy robots, Leica learns your routine, recognizes voices, and reacts emotionally. It can be used for home security, elderly care, and therapy and companionship. In Rwanda, imagine AI companions for elderly people living alone, security robots for homes and offices, and educational companions for children. Robots are entering homes, not just labs. Now let's talk about Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. This robot can walk faster, balance better, and perform delicate human tasks. Designed by Elon Musk, Optimus is meant to work in factories, warehouses, and homes. The goal? A general-purpose robot for everyday life. This could change global labor forever. LG has introduced a home AI robot that controls smart devices, acts as a personal assistant, and learns family routines. It's basically AI brain, home manager, and digital family assistant. For African urban homes, this means smarter energy use, better security, and automated living. This is where things get serious. New AI robots are now learning through observation, trial and error, and experience. Just like humans, they are not programmed step by step anymore. They teach themselves. This is how intelligence evolves. A video released by Neuralink shows a human controlling a computer using only their thoughts. No mouse, no keyboard, just the brain. This means humans and AI are merging, disabilities may be overcome, and learning speed could increase dramatically. This is human-AI symbiosis. Boston Dynamics has unveiled a new humanoid robot with human-like movement, balance, and agility, and real-world deployment focus. These robots don't fall. They adapt. They're already being tested in logistics and manufacturing. Some robots are now approaching artificial general intelligence, the ability to learn any task, reason across domains, and adapt like a human. This is the holy grail of AI. Once AGI exists, everything changes: education, jobs, governments, human identity. A new humanoid robot has entered the market, faster, cheaper, smarter. Startups are now competing with tech giants. This democratizes robotics, meaning African innovators can now build, adapt, and localize robots for African problems. This robot is designed specifically to host AGI software. Not just hardware, not just software, but a complete intelligence platform. One company has now built what many experts call the physical body for AGI. Once intelligence has a brain, AI models, a nervous system, sensors, and a body, humanoid robotics. We are no longer talking about tools. We are talking about a new form of intelligence. The future is not coming. It is already here. If you want to understand AI before it replaces jobs, use AI to build wealth and skills, and stay ahead in Africa's digital future. Subscribe to AI Creator Mastery. Turn on notifications. Share this video with one person who must see this, because the people who understand AI early will lead the world tomorrow. See you in the next video.